Hello, family. I was going through a particular post and I was like, wow, I carried out some basic steps and I saw I got a lot of views by just taking out these particular steps. So this evening I said, I'm going to share this idea with one or two of my friends watching right now. And if this video interests you, I think you should watch to the end. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video because what you're about to see now is literally going to change your views. It's literally going to change how much views you amass on Facebook by just carrying out these steps that I'm about to highlight. Watch till the end. So guys, there are some basic steps you make while you're creating a post on Facebook, and I'd like you to take a dive into this particular post so that while you are making your next post, you check and watch out for these things that will be mentioned in this particular video. And trust me, your next post might just give you your first 1 million views. While you shoot your videos, before you upload, in the course of your editing, always tell your community to share your content. The more a content is being shared, the more the content goes viral. And have this at the back of your mind that you are to grow your community or following with your content and not do things like follow for follow. Let us grow here. And also, the use of hashtags are very, very important. Then you must not also forget that while you are titling your work or video, have less of capital letter. You could do what we call a title case. In a title case, the first letters are always capital. Take note of this. Add closed captions to your video. What's a caption? You see when you watch a video and you see the write-up of what the person is saying showing on the screen. Do it. Very, very important. These are things that makes your videos go viral. As well, hashtagging. And don't just hashtag randomly. I see some people posting up to 15 hashtag, 20 hashtag. Brother, what do you use until they do? All right. So, and remove links from your captions. Your link should be at your comment section. These are some of the things that stop your content from going viral. Also, use emojis in your caption. Then, share your post to a group, even if it is one. Immediately you post. These are some of the things that would give you your first 1 million views. And you could see in this particular post, it says these are steps that you have taken. Alright, so when you carry out all these steps, it helps to make your content go viral. So it said use few capital letters in your caption, remove link from your caption, I've done that. Use emoji in your caption, I've done that. Engage with comment on your post. You will comment and then reply to your comment. Did you get that? And also add your video to a playlist. I said I've done that. I said write a caption on your reel. Then share your post to a group. I've done that. Then increase your video resolution. For Facebook is 1:1. Alright, thank you for watching. Please share to others who may not know this.